I went into the forest to collect firewood, but I found something unexpected. And when I got home, there was another surprise waiting for me. Guys, as you can see, I'm holding a panga, so I'm right now headed to the forest to collect the firewood because here in the village we use the firewood for cooking. Some people call it fuel for cooking, and in the evening we need firewood, and also tomorrow morning for preparing the breakfast and also lunch. Grandma, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
Yeah. Okay, let me go and collect firewood. I have to be very careful because here there are thorns. Yeah. This beautiful flower. Look at this beautiful flower. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Mm, really so beautiful. Actually, I never expected to see this here. Wow. I love the way how it is carved. This is purple. Wow. So nice, guys. Actually, here you can find different types of flowers, but so far, guys, I think these ones are common. These ones are common, guys. These kind of flowers, these ones are common. These ones are common. But this one, it's really, really, really nice and unique. Oh my God. Actually, the reason why we collect firewood from the forest is during evening hours is just that evening hours it is calm, and during daytime people are busy. Some go to the market, some do other works like going to the garden, you know, and some remain at home cooking. Like we share activities, yeah. So then basically evening hours it's calm, like people have finished a lot of work, yeah, because most of the work, guys, we do during morning hours, yeah, talk about going to the garden, cooking and so on. But in the evening we do less activities. Okay, so basically this video is to show you my evening routine, guys, what I normally do during my evenings, how my evenings start. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So we are done getting this firewood, so I'm also going to go to another place. There is where my uncle had cut a mango tree, so I want to get more firewood from there, and then we kick off home. Yeah, so basically this is done by women. You will not find men doing this. Yeah, it's women's routine, yeah, to fetch water, to collect firewood or fuel, yeah, to cook and to do other activities. Yeah, and also men do other activities. And you might think, oh, okay, how about men? Do men also cook? Yeah, men also cook. Yeah, so but if you have women at home, like, and there are many, or girls at home and there are many, so basically they are the ones to do everything. So anyway, guys, let's go. Actually, I didn't move with something that I can use for tying the firewood. Guys, so this is basically what we use for tying the firewood. You can see how it is, yeah, and it's durable. So let me put also my panga here. So here, this is sweet potatoes. This is where I normally come and get sweet potatoes that we cook in the morning hours. Yes, as our breakfast. are done. Let's put our firewood together. How to untie these. So guys, have you ever collected firewood in your country? And do you use firewood for cooking? Do you use firewood for cooking? Let me know, guys. I'd love really to know whether you use firewood in your country or you use gas. What do you use? So for us, basically, this is what we use. You know, we come from different backgrounds, different countries. Guys, this is the one I got from there. I had to make sure that I get the longer one, yeah? And this is basically for tying the firewood instead of using the rope. So we have a natural rope. Natural rope. Oh, I have to put my tongue down. Godo. Finally, guys, we made it. So let's go home. Guys, to be honest, the reason why I love oranges, they are really good at vitamin C, yeah. So this is natural and it's really, really good. Guys, let's have a orange. Plain Jordan. So yeah. The chick died, guys. This is where the chicken sleeps, so that's why I'm going to be cleaning. Wow. So guys, I'm done cleaning the house. Yeah, so the same way we love sleeping in good clean houses, that is also the same thing that also, you know, the chicken also has to be cared of, you know. Yeah guys, so last time when I was cleaning, I saw the lizard. Let me see whether I can see the lizard, guys. There's no lizard. I love seeing the lizards. Oh, guys, it's there. It's there. Let me zoom for you guys. I don't know whether you can see. It's there. Ah, that's the lizard, guys. Look how he's looking at me. Maybe he's wondering what's going on. Oh, look at this one, the big one. Guys, let me see. This is black, the other one is gray. The baby one is gray, but this one is big. Yeah, guys, I think that is it. Yeah, you know, I love chicken, so I love caring their houses or caring about them. Yeah, so because they are yummy. Yeah, guys, I was just from washing the hands, so I'm feeling so thirsty, so I want to drink some water. Guys, this is our natural refrigerator. Yeah. This is the pot. This is where we put water, and actually this cools water. You might think the water is from the fridge. It was a very interesting video. I can say I think we are coming to the end of our video, so subscribe and let me know in the comment section, do you cook using firewood? Have you ever collected firewood from the forest? Oh, have you ever lived in a grass house like this one? And what was your experience? I would love to know. Okay, yeah. And do you cook using firewood, or you use cooker, or you use anything? Guys, let me know in the comment section. I would love really to know. Yeah, because oh guys, you can't believe what I'm seeing. Oh, there is a beautiful lizard here, guys. Let me show you. Look. So beautiful. Look at it has run away. It just saw me and then boom 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 it ran away. Anyway guys, so subscribe, like and share. Let me know in the comment section also where you're watching me from. Are you watching me from Uganda, or you're watching me from another country? So I come from the eastern part of Uganda, for those who are curious to know. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.